people still don't grasp the fact that they need to save a dime out of every dollar. I mean, the average American who's saving is saving 3% of their income. People are focused on returns and expenses. Great thing to think about. Great thing that people come on these shows and get media about. Like, oh my God, you know how much it's costing you to have your mutual funds managed? You should be looking at this. People aren't saving any money. So the fundamental thing that people don't grasp is that you need to save more than you're saving. That's number one. Number two, Americans actually don't understand IRA accounts. People walk around, millions of people, thinking that they bought an IRA account or that they own a 401k plan, and they don't understand that their retirement account is just a bucket and that there are investments put inside that bucket. And it's those investments that go inside that bucket that create the return. And the third thing that Americans, I'm always constantly surprised by, is that people think they can time the market. That you're gonna watch a show, read an article, and figure out when to buy and when to sell. You're not. You would be better off with a boring, balanced approach that you invest systematically every 2 weeks and you leave it alone for your lifetime. And that's not sexy, and that may not sell, but that's what works.